Welcome to Kitchen Karma. In this video I'll show you how to make onion bonda. For this we make batter, dip thin onion slices into the batter and deep fry it. So the ingredients are chickpea flour. This is also called as besan. 1 cup of this. This is red chili powder, about half teaspoon. Salt to taste, olive oil about 3 teaspoons, cumin or jeera is about half teaspoon. We can also put some asafoetida, which is also called as hing. This is optional. We need water too to make the batter, and we need thin slices of onion, about medium sized onion I have cut here, about this size. This is medium. So I have taken a bowl for making the batter. So I'm going to put chickpea flour into the bowl, cumin, pinch of asafoetida, just sprinkle, olive oil, salt to taste, some chili powder. This you can decide according to your spice level. So I'm going to mix these with water, enough water. I'll show you. Let us start with little now. So I'm going to mix it. As you can see, we need more water. So we have to mix well because it has to come to a paste. So you can use more water if you. I'll show you how it looks. So this is a little bit thick in consistency, so I'm going to pour some more water. You can see it is a base now. I'm going to pour a little more, not too much. So this should be good enough. So it has to fall like this. So the batter is ready. So I have taken oil in a deep frying pan, so it is heated up, and I have used peanut oil here. Now we are going to deep fry onion bonda. For that I have to water my hand first a little bit so that the batter doesn't stick to my hand. So I'm going to take some handful of onions, cut onions, put in the batter like this. Take some more. So I'm going to take this towards me. So mix it a little bit at the top. So I'm going to deep fry it. Oil is going to splash. Be careful. it is getting deep fried, so you have to wait. And after some time you can flip these and cook on the other side and deep fry on the other side too. So I'm going to flip these. Let us wait until it is cooked on the other side too. Now as you can see, they have turned to golden brown in color, so I'm going to take them out and I'm going to put on a plate with tissue papers on that, about 3-4 I'm using, to drain some oil sticking to bonda. So onion bondas are ready. So you can eat with just ketchup or ketchup with some black pepper powder I have put as shown here. So this can be a great snack with coffee or tea, or you can also use as a starter in any meal. Thanks for watching.